Hey, we all know that the real estate market is changing, so get your buyers and your sellers prepared. And while you're at it, I've got some great ideas how you can prepare yourself for this market. Hey, everybody, whether you're a buyer, seller, or a realtor, this is for you. Listen, we all know that the market has changed here in Florida, whether you are on the East Coast, West Coast, Panhandle, up in the Jacksonville area. It has changed everywhere because the interest rates have increased. Here in Southwest Florida, we've had Hurricane Ian that has gone through. So I want to give you some ideas on for buyers and sellers to help you either sell your home, whether you want to buy. Realtors, if you're out there, this is a great idea for you too. So there's more homes to choose from. You know, without a doubt, we have less cash buyers in the market right now. So if you got pushed out of the market because of all the cash that was out there, this is a perfect opportunity for you to look for that home that you want. Yes, I understand that the interest rates are higher. Affordability is a little bit tougher right now, but I have some ideas for that. But listen, always remember that you're going to marry the house, but you're going to date the rate. As rates go down in the future, whether that's in 3 months, 6 months, or a year, you're going to be able to refinance to a lower rate and save money. So keep that in mind when you're looking, at homes. But you want to find that perfect home that you've always wanted to live in. And again, because the market has changed and because there are more homes coming on the market, this is a great opportunity for you to start looking. There are a lot of low down payment options that people don't always think about. FHA only requires a 3.5% down payment, and you don't have to have perfect credit to get that loan. VA loans, again, you don't have to have perfect credit, and that is 100% financing. And if you are an executive, I will put a link to another video that I did. If you're an executive, you can be buying for 100% financing with, for $1 million if you want. But that video is listed below that you can look at. Also, Hometown Heroes is a great opportunity if you are in Florida. If you are a frontline worker, teacher, paramedic, work in a hospital, all of those types of jobs, and there are almost 100 of those jobs that qualify for this program that you can get into a home with no money down. It's a grant that is given to you up to 5% of the purchase price, up to $25,000. That can go towards the down payment on a home. So reach out to me if you have questions about that program. It's a great opportunity. The other thing that I want to talk to you about is a seller paid buy down for the interest rate. There are a couple of options there that the seller can be paying points so you can get a reduced interest rate. So let's say the interest rates are running at 7 or 7 1/8. The seller can be paying a point or two to reduce that interest rate into the low sixes. And if you're on an adjustable rate, it could be even lower than that. So that's a great opportunity to lower that interest rate. And then there's also what's called a 2-1 buy down. And if you would like more information on that, please reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you with that. But that can also reduce the interest rate lower during the first year, and then it's a slight increase during the second year. Then during the third year, it goes to that full interest rate of whatever the market is when you lock the rate. So let's say the interest rate truly is at 7 1/8%. The first year, you may have an interest rate payment of basically 5 1/8. The second year would be 6 1/8, and then the third year it goes up. So that is a good option when you believe that the interest rates are going to change and you can refinance in that first couple of years. Or if you plan on paying the home off, maybe you are moving to Florida as a permanent residence, but your home up north hasn't sold yet. So that's a perfect opportunity to take advantage of that lower interest rate for a year or two. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I know the market has changed, but I am here to help you. Even if you are working with another lender and you just have general questions, I am here to answer those questions for you. I have been in business for 28 years now in the mortgage industry. So reach out to me if you have questions. I'm more than happy to to give you some time just to ask those questions. Have a great day. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out to me.